Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the zoomed in issue in Windows computer or laptop. So many people have facing the issue that their display is too much zoomed in Windows 11 or computer. So what you can do is click on the start button, then what you can do is search for the settings option from here, and after you click on the settings option you need to give some time to get loaded. After that you have to click on the system and make sure that you are choosing the display option from here. And when you are using the display option, then in the scale you can easily decrease it to 100%, because if your display is too much zoomed in, you can simply zoom it out by clicking on the 100%, and it will simply solve the problem of zoomed in your computer. And also here it is recommended 125% for my laptop, or in your device the recommendation level can vary. Also, you can change your display resolution from here according to your preferences. In my laptop it's recommended to 1920 into 1080, but some laptop or in some computer the recommendation level is not the same as like me. But if you want to change your resolution as well, then you can also change your resolution from here. So that's how you can fix the Windows 2 I mean the display too much zoomed in problem in Windows 11 computer or laptop. So thank you very much for watching this video.